So we are back at Faulkner. We're at the actual dealership now because we're gonna pick up the replacement car for the customer's 16 Camaro convertible that got crushed. You guys ready to see it? And here it is, the new car. Check that out. We already swapped the wheels over. Well, they did. I didn't. And look at that. You want to see something really cool? The interior is the two-tone interior. I got to show you guys this. I don't know how well it shows up in video, but I will tell you in person, this thing is awesome looking. I love the two-tone. I love the separation. I don't know. I like contrast, and this is nice. Check out the door card. Like it's just like different. And then with the Camaro, you also get the lights. I can't wait to see what they look like on. And these wheels really work well with the car. Like, I like black on black. What do you guys think of this? You think it's a good trade? Faulkner really did a great job. Really took care of the customer. Gave them full blue book value for the car, which is fantastic. And this car has 13,000 miles on it, which is way less than his 30,000 mile. This is a 16, just like his other one. And I gotta tell you, I like this one a little bit more, especially because it's not like under a tree. That's a big plus. You want to see something cool? I don't know how this works. I'm just gonna try it. I don't know if this will. I don't know how to do this. Maybe I have to lock it first? What do you think? Me? Could just be too cold. This top does not go down under 35 degrees. Oh well. Nice try. So this car is stock for right now. Let's start her up. That sounds good. It's a little too quiet. We're gonna have to fix that. I know a guy. I see myself. Okay. Look at that. This is a very, very nice car. I'm leaving this here. We have those at the shop, actually. But, heated seat, because it's a 2SS. Let's try that again. There we go. And heated steering wheel. Camaro has it, Corvette doesn't. I don't know if you saw that video. Yeah. I found out why I couldn't lower this down. You gotta put the cargo shade in the trunk, and then the key will probably work. So we are heading out. I'm gonna put the phone down before I go anywhere. This customer's definitely been through enough. I didn't pick it up yesterday because it snowed, and Mother Nature has been against us. So yeah, now I'm heading back with the customer's new 2016 Camaro convertible. Camaro SS, 2SS, yeah, whatever. And we're gonna put it right in the garage where it is safe from trees, hopefully, unless a tornado happens. And then once the first available lift is open, we will be installing the Pro Charger. And we got her back to the shop. We're gonna put her in right now. No eventful things happened, so that's excellent. I'm gonna get her into the shop and let her hibernate until we are ready to rock. So this is that piece in the trunk. Just attach that. Let's see. Where do we? Yeah, I can't do this with one hand, apparently. I'm retarded. Here's one. Just attach like so, and now the roof should work. Let's see, I have the key on me. Let's see if it works. Me? Me? Maybe me? Maybe the car shouldn't be running. Well, let's back her into the shop and then we'll try one after we shut it off. There she is. She's in the expansion with quite a few other cars. We got dirtied epoxy floors at the moment, and another dyno somewhere over there. Let's see if this key works. What do you think? Me? Me? I probably should just Google how to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to Google this and see what happens. Okay, I broke out the manual. It says I need to press unlock and then hold the button. And then do not try to start, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited to do this. Unlock and then press and hold this. Oh, it's working. I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. That's cool. Never would I thought that you'd be able to do this. I wonder if you do this, if it'll... Nope. Let's try. If it'll go the opposite way. What do you think? Nope. Just opening it. It will only open it. Very cool. So there you have it, guys. The customer's Camaro has made it to the shop without incident. It is safe inside, away from the trees, and yeah, now I'm gonna try to go get a haircut because I know that I desperately need one, and today was my day, and we'll see if I can do that. If not, well, you're just gonna have to deal with like Fuzzy Andrew for another week. So it is a wonderful day out, and to go over the car before we open her up, the customer has given me permission to take it home. And I'm definitely going to do this with the top down, because why not? So it's 50 degrees and dropping here, and it's kind of cold. I have 15 more minutes. So now that we're back at the shop, we are going to dyno the customer's new car to give them a good baseline and see what kind of power she's starting from. Here we are, the baseline came in, well, it started to come in at 394, but it hit the speed limiter in 6th gear, so we had to switch to 5th gear to get some kind of baseline, and it did 391 rear wheel horsepower. Let's see, did we pick up torque? And the survey says we did pick up torque. We got 411 foot-pounds of torque. The other pull, it looks like it's 420. So, looking to see an improvement, a big improvement, a major improvement. Now this says 454, but that's because the RPM reader was glitching. But we're looking to see a major improvement with what's going on. So what are we adding? We are adding a Pro Charger and headers. But wait, guys, until you see one of our next videos. You're not gonna freaking believe what happened at the shop. It all stems from the tree incident, which is fitting that I'm announcing it in this video. But we definitely lost power again, and you're not going to believe why. So with that said, we're going to close up shop today, and I'm going to head on home, and I'll keep you updated on this build as well as the other builds that are going on in the shop. Have a great day.